Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, splitting text into columns. My name is Julie Sidoni and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss Excel's text to columns feature. This feature lets you automatically disperse the text found in a single column across multiple columns when specific characters or delimiters appear. These characters or delimiters include tabs, commas, semicolons, etc. Splitting text into multiple columns can make it easier to sort data and use some of Excel's data analysis features. The first step when splitting text into columns is to make room for the new columns that will appear in your Excel sheet. This requires us to insert the number of new columns that we anticipate needing based on where we intend to split our text. Sometimes it's easier to insert a higher number of columns than we anticipate, since we can always delete the blank columns later. If you want to insert more than one new column at a time, long-click to highlight the column directly to the right of the column you want to split. Drag to the right to highlight the number of columns you want to create, such as 2, 3, 5, etc. Right-click, then select Insert. Now that we have blank columns directly to the right of the column we want to split, column C, we can use the Text to Columns feature. Click to highlight the column you want to split, navigate to the Data tab in the Data Tools section, and click the Text to Columns icon. Select the Delimited option in the pop-up window. Remember, delimited means that Excel will split text when a specific character appears within a cell in the column that you've highlighted. Then click Next. Click the checkbox next to the delimiter you are using. In this example, we are using a semicolon, which is separating colleges and departments in column C. If you aren't using tab, uncheck that box. If you are using a delimiter that isn't listed, like a dash, click Other, then type that character into the box. Once you select or type the delimiter that you're using, you can see a preview of what the data will look like in the Data Preview box. Click Next. You can also choose to change the column's data format if you would like to. By default, the destination for the split text is to the right of the column you are splitting. You can choose to change the destination of the split text by clicking in the destination field and navigating to and selecting the columns where you want the newly split text to appear. Once you are ready to split your text, click Finish. After clicking Finish, you can see that Excel has split column C into two columns, one with the name of the college and one with the name of the department. If you click Finish and see a "There's already data here, do you want to replace it" pop-up, you will need to exit the Text to Columns feature. Insert additional blank columns to ensure that the split text does not replace other data, and restart the Text to Columns process. Thank you for watching Splitting Text into Columns. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.